Hi everyone. So I built the template builder for a reason. I built it so that you can just easily create a template based on Next.js and React.js. So you can complete the template and you can download it as this Next.js and React.js template. And not only that, you can also save the template so the next time you can use the same template. But the problem is every one of us now using AI. You cannot just upload the whole template in any vibe coding tool you're using like Lovable, B0 or maybe Codex because it's huge. So what we can do, we can create or generate a CLI, and then you can just copy the CLI, I mean Shadcn Registry, and then paste it, drop it in a Lovable or B0, and then ask him to update the theme, content, or whatever section you want to update. And that's how I think this will be really useful for you because you don't have to rely on AI. You like know what the blocks are, then you generate the basic or maybe you can say whole landing page, and then just drop the CLI in B0 or Lovable, and then they will generate the next version of it, or maybe Gemini, or maybe Codex, whatever tool you're using, Cloud. Okay, so I'm working on it and it's almost complete. I hope I'll launch it soon. So keep eye on UI Pro. I will definitely update about it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.